basically.
Okay, now we will print in petri dish with local photo curing. So go into UV head printing and select take to position. So insert the petri dish onto the platform. Make sure it is tight. Then click OK. So it is telling you to install UV head on head 4. So UV head is already attached to head 4. So if you have used pellet head or syringe pump head, you should change it to UV head. Then click OK and wait for the axis to go into the center. Install the barrel and it should be slightly touching to the petri dish, and connect the hose and tighten the screw. So make sure it is firmly tight, then click OK. Now try extrusion. So the pressure is set to 0.4 bar now. So click head 1, extrude 10 mm. So the metal is coming. It is little bit shooting up. So we can go for 0.3 bar. Click OK. Try once again, head 1, extrude 10 mm. Now the extrusion is fine, click OK and take the plate out and click position XY center. Wait for the bed to come up. Okay. So once position XY center is done, click OK, and now click OK and go to files, jobs, in G code directory, select UV head and select the G code file. Click yes. So this UV timing can be adjusted. Now we have set it into 2 seconds. So as per the user requirement, it can be set. So on each layer, the UV head will position to the print area and it will come down and cure for the given timing. So this process will continue until the print job is done. So now the last layer is printing. So after the last layer also, UV head will come to its position and cure the surface. So now the printing is done. So once done, it will go to home position. So we can remove the petri dish and the sample from the machine. So loosen the knob and take out the petri dish. So you can see the sample.